Hello everybody, welcome to my channel again, and today I have this type of setting and I just would like to talk to you about ZARA perfumes. So I'm gonna unbox for you like one of the perfumes. It's either this one or this one. I will decide it along my way. And I want to tell you, like, I already got this perfume. It's Eternal Devotion. It's a new, how to say, like Zara, like with Zara, they keep changing those perfumes like pretty often, and it's kind of, they just showed up. I haven't even noticed when they appeared, but last time when I went to Zara shop and I saw that they are there, and it's like a completely new line of the perfumes that I have never seen, and they seem to be like improved, and they seem to be type of very interesting. Like, I still have a lot of perfumes from Zara, that, you know, from those cities collection there, and I must tell you guys, they are all very good, and they are not all, but there are many of them very good, and I still wear them, and some of them like really feels pleasant and I want to wear them. And so this is like a new line of these perfume, and I decided to get them a few months ago, and that's the first perfume that I unboxed it, and I'm happy with this perfume. So this perfume was Eternal Devotion, and as you can see, it has blackcurrant, rose turkey, and what is rose turkey? Sorry, excuse me. Well, anyway, it's supposed to be some kind of like a rose, isn't it? What is this? Turkey? It wouldn't be like a turkey smell, isn't it? That shouldn't be the way, but if somebody could explain me what it could mean. But no matter what, this perfume is nice. So like what I can feel in this perfume is really like that blackcurrant note is really feelable, and it's really type of airy perfume, like every type of little bit acidic perfume, just like, for example, that Armani, one of the Armani perfume there, like it really feels, sometimes they could be feeling a little bit acidic. So this one is also feels acidic, but still very nice, and still that black currant probably brings that acidity, and that probably that rose, I don't know, with this type of note, and ambroxan, it's probably what brings that airiness. But this video is not about this perfume, but I just simply wanted to unbox one of the perfume, just kind of, just to unbox it for you, so that like me and you would experience what it is. I just checked, this perfume is Moonlight Whisper, and I just checked it is actually is duping something. So the notes, we have pistachio, cardamom, and pink sugar. And let me have a look, what is that perfume duping? I just read it 1 minute ago. So this perfume, let me get it for you, seems to be probably duping, slightly duping for Sol de Janeiro and some kind of Brazilian crushed Cheriosa 62 mist. I don't know, I never heard this brand before, this particular brand before, but it's duping something. And like, let's say, but now like I smelled this perfume Moonlight Whisper in the shop, and I found it interesting, and I find it interesting the name of it as well. But today, as I said before, we're gonna open this perfume, which is Shades of Nostalgia. I bought this perfume because, let me just bring it closer for you, because I find the name is very poetic, isn't it? This particular name, I can bring this one here. So the name of this perfume, it's quite poetic, Shades of Nostalgia, and they thought that everybody feels nostalgic on many occasions, and like to have a meaningful type of title of the perfume sometimes is nice. And I did smell this perfume in the shop, and I found it actually all right, but I can't remember exactly how it was. There's no notes, over here. There's no notes, but let me just find for you those notes. Or should I just unbox it first? Let me just unbox it first if I could. Oh no, everything. Maybe if I could get the scissors. Excuse me, just gonna get some scissors and we can just unbox this perfume in front of your eyes and we will see what's that perfume about. Have you recently been in Zara shop, and what do you see there? Like, I'm pretty sure if I would go to Zara perfume now, it's probably they would even have something else. It's just, oh, this bottle is so small actually. Look at this bottle. I wonder why it's so small. Because you know why I'm surprised about I'm a little bit surprised about the size of the bottle. Well, I didn't read the size of the bottle before I bought it, but just because the price, let me remember how much I paid. But it's possible that I paid for, 1 second, I think I paid probably, more for this one than for that one. That's the reason, probably. I kind of expected to get this size of the bottle, but probably that size of the bottle would cost much more. But it's interesting. Well, it's beautiful, this bottle. Anyway, look at this bottle. It actually could be quite cute to put it in the bag as well. It's kind of, as you can see, this type of as if would be those chess, people when they play chess, there are this figure, I forgot what's the name of that figure, that has this type of bubble. But no matter what, it's really cute bottle. It's just like, when they say presentation means a lot. So that's what's about that presentation. And right now, for an example, if I could find for you very fast, I would just find for you those notes if I could. So let me hold it for you. Just 1 second. So basically in the notes you would be fruity, floral, tropical, woody, fresh, and citrus. Fruity, floral, tropical, fresh, and citrus. And then it says like it's for women, it's a new fragrance, and you have kiwi. It's probably that what drew my attention when I smelled it in the shop. There was probably something quite refreshing and quite wearable. So kiwi, and there is magnolia, and then the base note is cedar of this perfume. So that's what it is. And let's see, so it's like a fruity warm fragrance, and there's a creamy magnolia and whatever. So very little notes, only few notes there, but like it says longevity is moderate. And now I'm just as I'm looking at the website here. So of these type of shape of the bottles, you have shades of what's the shade, sorry, shades of nostalgia, so it's this one. And then you have let me just bring this one, shades of nostalgia. And then you have shades of lust, shades of bliss, and shades of joy. I haven't noticed actually that there would be those other like perfumes in the shop. I only noticed that one, but basically there are some other ones too. So like I couldn't find I actually couldn't find what is this perfume duping, but the first picture that shows up, it's some kind of Ralph perfume, blue, in a blue bottle. I can't see the name, what's that perfume, but like let's see what else does it say here. Shades of nostalgia, not much. It says, some people says like it's inoffensive, some people say it's kind of maybe a little bit towards Marc Jacobs, some people say like that color really fits that smell. It's actually not much reviews, I would like to say, on it's really not much. So instead of talking, we can just actually have a look a little bit, and I'm just gonna spray it all over myself, maybe here and here and here and everywhere. I'm gonna spray it, guys. So this perfume, ooh, it's 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 really floral, you know, it's really floral. It's that kiwi. I would say this perfume is really type of light floral, and that kiwi that brings that fruitiness. Like for example, this perfume is acidic, type of blackcurrant, and airy is nice, and this one is floral. As I lifted my hand, that magnolia actually showed up in a very beautiful way. I like it, guys. I really like it. It's airy, type of feminine, and type of nice. That kiwi is not too acidic, is not like nothing is sharp. It's only type of soft floral notes that are, it's possible that it will fade away, but like it's quite nice, you know. I'm not sure about longevity of this perfume, so that's what I'm not sure about. But like, I like that magnolia in the middle of the note. That kiwi, I like it too, but that magnolia, you know, brings this type of refreshing. It's very refreshing. Kiwi is refreshing, magnolia is refreshing, and everything is just right. I think this perfume is really for summer, like perfect for summer or anytime, any occasion. It's really lovely perfume. It will be so good. It will be so good. I wonder, you know, this bottle, like I just don't know. This type of bottle and the color of the liquid, it reminded me a little bit of that Prada perfume that has this type of that type of greenish liquid, but I can't remember how that perfume smells like. But I'm pretty sure it might not be the same. You know, it's not the same. It's just the feeling of the bottle. So this is my goodness. As I am, for example, smelling and I'm taking away the hand like this, that magnolia comes out and it's really good. Like I'm just talking, you know, I'm just talking, but like it's really nice to experience a new perfume, and this perfume brought me to some kind of other experience right now, to these type of notes, what it means to have kiwi and magnolia and cedar together, and what it is, this perfume, you know, what is this perfume about. So it's really nice. It's really nice perfume. There's not much reviews about this perfume, and like it's really good, guys. It's really good. I just don't know. Like, I think this perfume could give a very nice vibe. Like, when you, for example, when you spray on yourself and you go along your day, and like, let's say maybe you spray on your coat and you are passing through the people. And I think those other people could get a sense of this perfume that could be very nice as long as this perfume would stay, because we don't know how long this perfume would stay. Maybe it will fade away within 2 hours, but as long as this perfume will stay, it will give you this nice refreshing type of not repelling, you know, it's more refreshing and maybe a little bit crowd pleasing type of light perfume that you could wear at your work. Like, it's very work type of safe perfume, work safe perfume, and really good, guys. Let me smell it one more time, guys. Let me smell it. It's good. It's really good. That's what I would like to say, and I do recommend you to get it. It will take time for me to understand what else, you know, what else this perfume will bring. But so far, I'm very happy. It's really nice and really type of intoxicating, refreshing magnolia, type of feminine scent that smells clean and good, and something that I will be able to take it and use it any day. I'm a bit surprised about the size of the bottle, but I do have quite a lot of perfume, so no matter even if the size bottle is small, but I will use it, you know, I will use it. I will use it, guys. So that's it. I don't know who, like who of you that saw this video have seen this perfume, and who smelled it in the store, and what else did you smell in the store from these new ranges? It would be interesting to talk about it, and interesting. What do you think? What do you think about this new range, and what are you deciding to get? It's good, guys. It's really, really good. Really good. That's it. I will come back to you another day. Have a beautiful evening or morning or daytime, and see you soon. Bye bye. Bye bye.